Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with the first video on the wealthy affiliate. So, because I already done the 40 minutes introduction, so I'm just telling on the beginning of the video, I will just tell on beginning on the every video, just go and see the 40 minutes movie and then you will understand what's going on this channel. But long story short, I just decided to open my brand this year, which basically equals the online business. Don't ask me why I choose AI, but I'm just basically excited about learning AI, nor like I have any knowledge prior to January. So basically, yes, I just start learning basics on January and I just decide, okay, fuck it. Like, I'm excited about this. Why not document that? Why not basically learn basic and teach basics? Because if you learn the basics, you can teach that basics, right? And then we're just gonna progress, move forward. Okie dokie. So if you want to know more, obviously feel free to ask me in the comment section below, YouTube. But I think it's like self-explanatory, and what I said, 40 minutes introduction is already on the channel. So we're just going to jump into the core training on the wealthy affiliate. Is getting started, and the first lesson is welcome intro to hubs, and it's 12 minutes, and I'm not going to talk at all. I'm just focus on the video, and you can focus on the video as well. Before I go, I'm not going to read that, and it's going to be on every lesson, like summary, and it's going to be quite a lot of stuff. But it's obviously good to subscribe to Wealthy Affiliate through my web link, through my ref link, excuse me, and then you can support me and you can open your own business. So win-win. Okie dokie.
To create a business online, to educate yourself, to advance. Hey everyone, Kyle here, co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate. I'd like to welcome you to the community and the platform here at Wealthy Affiliate. I know you're probably here to create a business online, to educate yourself, to advance your skill sets, and to network with other awesome people. And that's what you're going to be able to do here within Wealthy Affiliate. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through not only your business hub, which is the workspace for your business, but also the community side, the activity that you have access to, your ability to get help, your ability to network with others. So I'm going to be dipping into both of these within this welcome video here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the hub, which you see in front of me here. And I'm going to be walking you through how your hub works and how your hub is going to help you build a successful business online. So when I come back, let's jump into that. Okay, so first things first here, the core training. This is going to be your initial focus right now, is working through the initial phase 1 of the core training. As a starter member, you're going to have access to the first 5 lessons, which are going to lay the groundwork for your business. Before you can build something of substance and something that is scalable and that can lead to long-term business, you first need to set out with a solid foundation. So that's going to be our initial goal. After that, we're going to be working into brand and content, growth momentum, getting involved in affiliate programs, getting indexed and ranked in search engines, and getting ready for all of the different types of traffic techniques that you are going to be learning here at Wealthy Affiliate, which you can find under the traffic training. So let's focus initially on these lessons. When you complete a lesson, you can check them off. You can also check them off directly within the lesson itself, up in the top corner here. So as you click on these lessons, they're going to pop up. And within each lesson, you're going to notice comments. So you can ask comments and get help in real time. We have a very active community that will be there to help. You can see that I'm helping people out, but you can see the threads, and no one goes, sort of unhelped here within the platform. So do know you're going to get help if you ask. So if you ever feel stuck, I want you to ask for help right away. Then as we scroll down, your website and brand. Magic happened when you built your hub, including the creation of your website. Now, a website is the foundation of all successful businesses online. So if I click on this, you're going to see that it takes me to my website that's been pre-built for me. There is a default piece of content on that. We are going to be beautifying this and building this out into substantial business through time. It is a blank slate now, and like any beautiful painting, it starts off as a blank slate. We're going to be building this. We are going to be integrating promotions. We are going to be generating revenue from our website as we move forward through the core training. So this is where you're going to manage your website and brand. You can view your website. You can see your niche that you've chosen up there. You can also log into the back office of your website to check that out. And you can change your niche at any time. So if you decided, okay, well, maybe youth basketball isn't the niche direction I want to head, maybe you want to choose something completely different, then I could go change my niche, change niche and delete hub, and then I could go through the hub creation process and choose a new business idea. So that is something that you can consider. I'm not going to do that. I'm happy with my niche, so I am going to move forward with that. The next is the revenue opportunity section. So when you build a niche, we are going to, when you build a business hub, we are going to put revenue opportunities in front of you that are highly relevant to your niche. In this case, it's basketball. So you can see Nike basketball, Skills Athletic, Pro Cage basketball, Spalding, all basketball related affiliate programs has a schedule of potential commissions and estimated commissions. As I start to build up my website, I'm going to be applying to these affiliate programs, and then I can place links on my website that are going to allow me to generate revenue from any traffic that I drive to my website. You can see there's an upgrade for the link, so you're going to be able to unlock all of these if at a later time you decide to become a Premium Plus level member. Which again, I'll get to. Content ideas, we are going to be building out some initial content on our website, content that's relevant to our niche and that's helpful to our niche. That is how we are going to be building out the initial foundation of our business. Once we have a website with content on it, we can start to get ranked in search engines. We can start to get approved for affiliate programs. We can start to drive traffic to these places from social media and other sources. So that is the initial foundation that we're going to be focusing on. And I'm going to show you some AI technology in an upcoming video that is going to help you really streamline your content. I think you're going to really love that, as it speeds up that process drastically. So if you are not a content creator already, we're going to turn you into one and show you how you can do that within minutes versus spending many hours trying to write articles manually by yourself. So that is something to look forward to in an upcoming lesson as well. Your writing tasks, we are also going to be getting to that. And then your niche research section is more content ideas to help you come up with concepts to help your audience and to build out your website and your business moving forward. So that is your hub area. This is your workspace. This is also where you are going to be getting your core training. And this is also where you are going to be able to navigate to these sections within this left menu here, which you will see on desktop. It will be in a hamburger menu if you are on a mobile device, but if you're on desktop, you're going to see this menu over here to the left. And also I wanted to point out below that, if you ever have a question that you want to send to the community and get community help, ask a question there. You can type in your question, type in more details, publish. That goes to the community. You're going to get experts from all over the world and throughout the community helping you out. And we have experts on absolutely every topic. We have a bustling community and one that is pay it forward and there to help you out every step of the way. So use that if you want and if you need help. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to jump into the activity, which is the community side of the platform here. And I'm going to be showing you around there before we move into the next lesson. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to the activity tab, which is the community element of Wealthy Affiliate. So if I zoom in here, I'm just going to show you beside hubs, there is the activity tab. If we click on that, that is going to take us to the homepage, which is where you will be when you log into Wealthy Affiliate. You can see we've completed step 1, 2, and 3. We have started our training, we've set up our business hub, and we have joined Wealthy Affiliate. All, steps in the right direction and steps towards creating our business. Now, as I scroll down here, you're gonna see what's on your mind. You can ask a question here as well. So if you have a question that you wanna send to the community and get community response, you can ask that there. You're gonna see our top 10 blogs. So we have a very active community. These top 10 blogs are gonna shift every day. We get many more than 10 blogs a day. These are people contributing to the platform, people offering value, people offering education and training. And you can go through these and you can communicate with them. You can leave your questions or your comments. I do encourage you to participate within the community here at Wealthy Affiliate. We are truly a pay it forward. You know, we have a lot of experts here that are more than willing to share and lend a hand. I've been doing this for 22 years full time. I am here all day, every day, helping people just like yourself work towards creating a successful business online. So below that, you're going to notice a profile setup. We're going to be getting into that in the next step. You can set up your profile here, which is actually going to also unlock the live chat for you, which I'll be getting to. And as you scroll down, you're going to see more activity here within Wealthy Affiliate. These are expert classes. These are premium level members only that have access to these expert classes, but we have classes that run through the week, every single week, that you can partake in as a premium plus level member. YouTube case study. You can see there is some training here that you can get as you scroll down. You know, there's success stories as you scroll down. So these are some of the community activity elements that you have access to. Obviously, this is limited compared to, you know, everything that's taking place. But as a starter member, you can see success is happening here. How to make passive success with WA. You know, I achieved SE Star Seller in the 3rd month in a row. My journey with a Wealthy Affiliate from newbie to earning. So you can go through those success stories as well. Success is happening here. This is what we teach. We teach you how to create and grow a business online in absolutely any niche. And we are going to be showing you how to leverage many different facets within the online world, from social media to YouTube to SEO to paid search, you know, all the website side stuff. So you are going to get everything you need here under one roof to create and grow a business online. I also wanted to point something else out. Under the under the notification bell up here, if you click on that, you are going to notice that I have left you a message on your profile. Now, this is an automated message. This goes out to everybody when they join, but I do want to just show you. I'm going to click through this. So this takes you to your actual profile. You can see this is Kyle222. This is sort of a dummy profile that I created for the purposes of this video. But if you scroll down, you're going to see a question here. Now, if you click reply and reply to this, that goes directly to me. Though this is an automated message, I get back to every single response. So you can be sure if you respond to this, I am going to be getting back to you. If you need help, send any questions that you have. I'll be more than happy to help you out as well. You can lean on me for expert help and support every step of the way. So I want to make sure that you're aware that we truly are a community here. We're a helpful one. And you can access the founders, myself and Carson, whenever you need help, as well as reaching out to the community. So again, I'm going to head back to my hub here and then go into my hub. When you have completed this lesson, which you have just done, you can check it off. It wasn't checked off yet, but you know, if you're in the lesson, mark it as complete. If you have any questions, you can leave them here. And welcome again to the community. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I know that you're gonna love your experience here within the platform. You know, we put our members and our community first. That's how we have built our business over the last 19 years. And I think that's going to be obvious as you immerse yourself in the platform and community at Wealthy Affiliate. I look forward to working with you. If you need a hand with anything at all, jump into the comments on the left if you're on desktop, or down below if you're on mobile. And I will see you in the next lesson, where we are going to be setting our business goals and setting up our profile. Cheers. Okay.
So that was it. Thank you much, guys, for watching. see you guys in the next video. Not really going to talk anything extra because there is no point to. That was the idea, basically, to show you the lessons. One thing what I can say, yes, you can create the profile on Wealthy Affilate for free. It's not like you need to be on the premium. But if you're not premium, you don't have access to the lessons and to premium stuff. So pretty much, yeah, that's the summary. And then also another thing, like if you wanna do like website with the proper name, then you have to pay for it as well, because the domains, that's what I meant, like with the proper domain.com, let's say. So you will have to pay obviously for the domain, but that's not super expensive. You're paying for domain around $15 per year. So I think everybody can afford, even if you're unemployed. Okay, so that was it. Thank you very much, guys, one more time for watching. 60 minutes, that's great time. Another lesson is going to be just 8 minutes long, so it's going to be tomorrow, 10 minutes video. Obviously, I'm gonna do this on daily basis. I've done 40 minutes, and I think I've just came across lots of stuff which Kyle is going to introduce to us, but obviously Kyle taking a step-by-step approach and talking much slower than I do, so will be much more able to digest, I guess. But at the end of the day, if I'm talking too fast, you can just go to my website. You can ask in the comment section below. That's me. I'm adult with ADHD. What can I say? So I'm just talking fast, but I don't mind. I hope you don't mind either. Okay, take care and bye for now.